So over here you can see that I got certain text right here just like this. And if I were to go around onto other pages, then you can see that certain text styles is already there. Well, let's say what I want to do is I want to go ahead and change around the entire page text style as I want. In that case, over here on the top right hand side, you can click on the three dot button. And over here, you can see that I have an option to change it out into default right here. This is the default text. But if I were to go for serif right here, you can see that it actually changes around the text style right here, just like this. You can also go ahead and change it to mono. And then you can see that you get more like a code type of a style right there. You can go ahead and change it to serif. Default right here, which is sans serif. You got serif and mono as you can see right here. And that is how you can simply go ahead and change around the entire page text style inside of Notion. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.